Naging ba din kaya ang kanyang anyo? Dahil sa challenge natin, let's find out Marvel Sia.
Ano po?
Kaya ko naman para ma-train ko yung dancing ko from ballroom. At the same time, para mag-use ako ng wave. For me, nung una, inisip ko na laro lang to, tsaka exposure. Pero sa ngayon, parang napapansin ko, parang nagiging seryoso ko sa programa ito. Unang-una na sa challenge ko ako. And then second, syempre kung pala rin ako manalo, syempre maraming mga opportunities, lalo na mga wish ko lang this Christmas. Gusto ko pang pumayat. At initin niyo po ang programang ito. Hindi lang po ito sa amin, kung hindi sa mga katulad ng matataba na nawawala ng pag-asa. Ito na po yung palabas na para mag-iisin niyo ng buhay niya, hindi tayo papayat. Basta pag sumita ka na.
You've lost so much weight.
Aga, that was a good choreography. It gave Ronald a lot of time and a lot of person. And Ronald, that was very good execution. And you're having a lot of fun. You had good connection. Very good connection. What I find amazing in that is that your sense of fun is very, very obvious.
Mr. Ash, are you happy? Super. You said wow.
Wow.
Compared to your other dances, ngayon ko talaga nakita your transformation in terms of being so graceful, flexible. Look at your lines. Your last pose was really great. You're using a lot of that rib, hip action that they always teach in Latin ballroom. Aga, you did a really good job, and it was really snappy. And it was so fun, and you're just a showgirl. So congratulations. I think you received. For me, you're my favorite tonight.
Mr. Agnes, kumusta ba sa'yo? Sobrang pasado. I didn't expect that you could change your look, your hair. I mean, you have a more elegant aura tonight. And you transformed, you've prepared your dance so much that you have good lines, good projection, very comfortable with yourself, with your partner. You're so at ease with him, and you're so at ease with that floor. I feel like you're on top of the world. Parang sayong-sayo yung sayaw mo tonight. So, congratulations. What a happy surprise.
Yes, I'm very surprised.
What? Even you are surprised with your performance?
Yes, kasi po pumayat na po talaga ng kahit paano, nalus pa ako ng weight.
What did you do differently tonight that you didn't do in the past few weeks?
Before po, half price po ako every meal. Ngayon po, 1 cup a day.
In terms of in terms of performance, what did you bring out tonight that you hit the past 2 weeks?
Nung past 2 weeks po medyo mabagal yung kilos. So medyo yung projection ko talaga nga medyo mababa. Ngayon po medyo kasi gumaan na po yung timba ko kahit saan.
So the weight loss really helps you to be more agile in the dancer. That's good.
And idol ko po kasi si Lucy Torres.
Ito na pala may phone-in question. Idol mo daw si Darna.
Yes po.
Paano kung bibigyan ka niya ng superpower, kaninong katawan ang gusto mong i-inhabit?
Dalawa po gusto kong maging katawan. You and Regine Tolentino.
Okay! Or not. Malay mo, baka maging ganun nga. When you wake up tomorrow, Miss Reg. Ganun nga. That's not far from happening because you lost so much weight already. Thank you, Ronald.
Thank you
Keep
so
up
much.
the good work, D.I. Aga. Thank you. Round 3 of our Bigatin Challenge is now over and we will begin tabulating the scores. In the meantime, let's look at the second batch of gift givers and receivers. Watch this.